Hey, what is up you guys? My name is Catherine and welcome to my channel. If you've been hanging out with me for a while, say goodbye to this lighting setup. This is the last time you are ever going to see it because I decided to take the plunge and purchase a actual ring light. I've been using this like $25 DIY ring light for like 6 or 7 months now, and it's nice. It gives good quality lighting. The one thing that I don't like about it is just the lighting is not that bright, and I just want a little bit brighter of lighting. What really made me decide to take the plunge is while I was home in Ohio, I was just filming by my window and I liked how bright the sunlight looked, and I know that like if I want that like really nice bright lighting, I'm gonna need to spend a little bit more money than my setup right now. And obviously it's still not gonna look like natural lighting, like it's meant to mimic sunlight, but it just isn't gonna look the exact same. I want to have like a little bit higher quality of production content, so I just made the decision. It's something that I wanted for a while, and I just decided to go with the Diva ring light Supernova because that's like the name brand. And I've talked to a lot of influencers who have like a newer ring light or some other cheaper ring light, and some people really like it, but I know some people aren't as happy with it, and I'd rather just spend like 200 bucks right now and have something that's gonna last me a while than spend $100 or $120 and just not be as happy with it and end up spending the $200 down the line anyways. So today I'm just gonna be doing an unboxing video of the ring light, show you guys the ring light, the stand that I got for it, and then I'm gonna like show you my new filming setup so you guys can get a little behind the scenes of how I make my content. If you are new here, as always, don't forget to subscribe. I typically post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. If you're wondering where my drugstore first impressions video is, it's coming. I was all set for that, and then I realized I forgot 2 items, so I'm waiting for something to come in the mail from Cyber Monday, but that is coming. I'm really excited to film that. I haven't done like just a sit down full face first impressions in a while. So this is the box. It is like big and heavy, and it's like, I know I saw the dimensions on there, but I just like for some reason wasn't expecting it to be as big as it is. Alright, so here she is. For some reason I thought this came with the diffusion cloth. Maybe it's in this box? I don't know. We have all this little foam on here to keep the bulb from breaking during transit, I guess. Alright, so let's turn this on. Whoa. Oh wow, okay. So this is the dimmable one, so this is a full blast. Might need sunglasses for this setting. And this is the dimmest it goes. So like you can see that like even the dimmest setting of this is still way brighter than my little DIY ring light. Granted, this is way closer to my face right now, but like, wow. Hi, Charlotte. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off, put this to the side for a second while I figure out what is going on in this little box here. Oh, it did come with the diffusion cloth. Okay, so this is the diffusion cloth. This is for mounting it to a tripod, which I'm not going to do, I don't think. And this looks like it's for mounting it to an actual stand. I don't understand how the diffusion cloth works. Let's see here. Like, oh, you know what? I'm just dumb. Here we go. So there's these little Velcros. So I think what's going to make the most sense for me at the moment is to just like prop this up against my mirror, like how I have my light currently. You know, I just realized I didn't show you guys my lighting setup, so I'm going to pop a clip of my current lighting setup right here so you guys can see that. So this has been my filming setup since I moved into this apartment. I normally don't have my camera on these boxes. I left my tripod clip in Ohio and I just had to improvise for today. So this is just a desk from Target, but it's really nice. It holds all my makeup that I'm not going to show you right now because it's really messy. This mirror is from Lowe's, and then I have these LED strip lights from Amazon. They're pretty cheap. I think I paid like $25 or $30 for 4 of them, so it's a pretty good price. So those are to like fill in the light in the background, so it's not just like a floating head against a black background. And I have this ring light that I made, and I'll pop that video link up above and link it down below as well. So that's to actually light my face. And then I have this reflector right here because for some reason I get weird shadows on the right side of my face when I film in this setup. So I just pop that up there whenever I film. Oh, hey girl, what's up? Then I have this smaller mirror also from Amazon for when I'm actually filming and I need to get up close to see what's going on with my makeup. So yeah, it's really simple, like nothing you see here is expensive, and this is what you guys have seen for the past like 6 months now. I just decided it was time for an upgrade, so say goodbye to this filming setup. So I'm just going to be propping this up against my mirror as well, and it's going to be like at face height essentially, which is what I want. I want this to be on my face, obviously. And then one last thing I got to help my lighting is this gold cloth. I got this at Walmart. I'll try to find the exact cloth down below, and then I'll find an alternative on Amazon too because nobody's leaving their house these days. So this was just $7 for a yard of fabric, and what I got this for is to use as a reflector, but a reflector that is a tablecloth. I got this idea from the Taylor in a vlog. She showed that she has this like gold fabric on her table to work as a reflector and just add some like added fill light. And I went with gold, not silver, because these lights behind me are a much warmer color temperature than the ring light or any of these daylight white LEDs are. And just having that little bit of extra warmth is going to help like balance that out, because right now, when my camera is white balanced for my face, it makes the background lights look super yellow. So just having like a little bit more warmth is going to balance that out. I personally find warmer lighting to be a little more flattering. Obviously, you want it to be as like true to color as possible when I'm showing like makeup swatches and whatnot, but just to have this little bit of warmth. And like you can even see the difference when I'm like holding this up to my face, how this really fills my shadows on my face in. I think the Taylor has like the best filming setup. Like her production quality is so good. She could literally sell me like a roll of toilet paper if she told me it helped her film, because I'm like, yes, I need everything you have. I'm gonna turn the camera off, get all this set up, and show you guys how that looks, and show you guys like everything on the table, how it looks when I'm filming, and that'll be it. Alright, so this is with everything like set up how it will be when I film minus the tripod. So I'm just going to pop a clip up doing a mini tour of my filming space and how I normally have my desk set up. Alright, so this is everything set up back in place. This is where I keep my brushes. The rose gold ones are from Target, but they're discontinued. The gray one is also from Target, and I think they still make it. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. These are all my used reusable cotton pads and microfiber squares, and this is some brush cleaner. This is my mirror again, and this is where I keep all of my eyeshadow palettes. It's a rose gold letter sorter from Amazon. I'll link it down below, and all of my skincare stuff. So I showed these baskets that I have in a what I bought on Amazon video. This is how I actually use them on my desk. Then over here is the other basket. This is where I keep the stuff for giveaways and anything that I need to try out for videos. So that plastic bag right there is full of all my drugstore stuff for my upcoming drugstore first impressions video. And then of course I have my camera again. That's not going to be on those boxes permanently. My mom sent me my tripod clip, so that'll be back to normal soon. And then I have Miss Charlotte, who sits right on my desk anytime I film. If you ever hear purring in the background or see a tail, it is her. She cannot not be the center of attention for even 30 minutes. Just a reference, I have the light at maybe 50 or 60% brightness right now. I don't think I could handle filming at full brightness. Like, I really think that would trigger a migraine for me. I am definitely still going to keep the LED strip light going on for now. I just think that it is going to really help with like filling in the light in the background. I don't like when there's like too much of a gap between lighting, like if like there's like a lot of light on my face and not a lot of light in the background. Like, I don't like when the lighting ratio is like that. But obviously I still want to be more lit than the background and stand out from the background. And then also for reference, I just have my camera on auto right now, like auto everything. I am definitely going to be playing around with my camera settings some more. Obviously, I'll be able to get more or less brightness on it by adjusting my ISO, my aperture, all of that good and fun stuff without having to give myself a headache with the ring light. Right now, I don't have the reflector propped up. I only have the gold tablecloth thing going on, and I am noticing a little bit of a shadow on this side of my face. So like if I hold it up, you can see that gets filled in a little bit, but I definitely don't think the shadow is as bad as it was before. I will see how I feel. I might put it up in some videos and put it down in others and like see if you guys notice a difference, because I don't like having that up. It falls over really easily, and Charlotte always tries to like eat it because she likes the silver, so it's definitely like a big distraction for me. And then right now the auto white balance in my camera is registering with the ring light and my daylight white balanced LED strip lights that this is daylight white balance. So it is true, at least per my camera's internal sensor, that the ring light is 5400K daylight white balance, so that is good. So I believe that's it for this video. Like, I don't really think I need to go over anything else. Let me know how you guys feel about the upgrade in lighting. I'm personally excited to be able to be putting out higher quality content now, because I really do care about how like everything looks. And yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Oh yeah, also enter my giveaway. Link will be down below. It's running for another week and a half. See you Sunday.